IT pros are always looking for ways to save money, be more efficient, and deliver projects faster. Gartner recently estimated that the average enterprise spends as much as 25% of their IT budget on maintenance and support contracts. Why is that? OEMs push end users to put every piece of equipment under their support contracts, regardless of age and where and how it's being used. And the price of those contracts actually increases as assets age. Therefore, companies that exclusively utilize OEM support are likely overpaying for features and benefits they may not even need or aren't even available. And why is that? The answer can be found in the OEM's typical product and pricing cycle. Within the first 3 years of a product launch, this is when OEM support delivers the most bang for the buck, because this is when important software updates and patches are most frequent, and when OEM pricing is the lowest. In those middle years, 3 to 6 let's say, the OEMs shift their development efforts to the next generation of products. And because firmware and software are now stable, updates are fewer and further between. At the same time, OEM pricing begins to increase. Around year 5, the OEMs start to announce end-of-sale and end-of-service dates. This is when their pricing increases more dramatically, and the value of their support is lowest. Profitable for the OEM, yes, but that's probably not best for you. But there's a better way. Companies have started to realize there are real savings available by taking a hybrid approach to their hardware maintenance and support strategies. Some are realizing total savings of 50 to 90% off OEM list price. By being more selective around what hardware should be on OEM support, what's a good candidate for third-party support, and where self-sparing makes the most sense. Let's talk about TriNet, Trifecta's third-party support offering. Let's compare it to an OEM offering. With TriNet, you not only get significant savings over OEM support pricing, but you also get superior support with our industry-leading issue resolution process. We offer 24-hour remote tech support with part and engineer to site within your chosen SLA. You'll have one coterminous contract for all your equipment, no matter what the brand, to make managing your assets easier. Our unique customer portal lists all your assets, even those supported by the OEM. Not to mention, you'll be extending the useful life of your hardware for a higher ROI. Let the team at Trifecta build you a custom solution that can save you some serious money without compromising your support. Learn more at trifectanetworks.com.